Hello and welcome to class. My name is Victor Shamaki, and today we're going to be looking at how to put watermark on pictures. As a photographer, once you're done editing your pictures and you like to put your watermark in order for others to know that this is your pictures and all that, you want to put watermark. That's what this video is all about. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is my graduation class. I graduated from a leadership training course. So these were pictures taken from there. I wanted to watermark it because I'm not the only one graduating. So I needed, as other post the pictures, I kind of get my watermark or logo out there. So when you're putting a watermark, you need to note that some pictures are taken as on landscape, some are taken on the orientation of portrait. So you need to know the two difference. So we have to create these watermark actions for two. One of the action will be for landscape and the other will be for portrait. So I only bring out the image for landscape here so that you will know once I've done this, you'll be able to know how to do the other one, since it's just a matter of orientation. Alright, so let's get to Photoshop.
2009. We were going up.
So this is the Photoshop I'm going to use. So I'm going to bring one of the pictures from here, and I'm going to bring it and just drag it and drop on Photoshop. So once the picture comes in, what you need to do first is to go to Windows and then you click on Actions. So your action will appear here. Now with this showing here now, we're not going to be able to see what you're looking for. So I have some actions that were selected and kept here. So I'm going to remove this. So once you see like that, we have to remove the button mode. So once on button mode, you won't be able to do much. So right click or just click on this place and you remove the button mode. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create like a folder. So this is like a folder, so there's a create new set, and this one is create new action. So the new set will be the folder containing the new set will be like a folder containing this new set of action we're going to do. So I'm going to name it watermark still. Alright, so I'm going to OK it. So click on this other side will bring out an action. So I will now name this action landscape. Alright, so we click on record, so everything you do now will be recorded. Alright, so I'm going to go and bring in the watermark, which is this. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drop it. So I will resize it to the size I'm looking for, because it has to be small and visible as well. So let's assume that this is the size I want it to be, and this is the position I want it to be. So once I've done this, I'm going to export it. So I'm going to export. I'm going to export it on JPEG High, then I will save.
Fairly. You stand up on the other side and just pissed. Oh, it's sad.
So it's asking where it to be saved. Okay, let me create a new folder and save it in. Alright. Where's our vid folder? Okay. I want to create a new folder. I want to leave it as new. So save it inside here. So it's saved. Now I'm going to close this without saving. Then I'm going to open it back. So it has an open, so I'm going to delete this open. Okay, I'm going to stop our action. Then I'm going to delete the open. The idea is so that I can have it close. So once it brings in the image and puts the watermark, it closes it back automatically. Alright. So what I'm going to do, for me not to have a repetitive of this, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete it. Now all of this image will be saved inside this folder. Alright. So let's go back and put the action to work. So you go to File from Photoshop, then you come down to Automate, and then you go to Batch. So you're going to open up where watermark P, and the action is landscape. So if this is not this side, because I have other server wires and I have Space Studios, and then display watermark, which is just created now. Alright, so once it is on red, we'll just choose which of the actions. Like if you come up to these other ones, I have like two actions. I have the portrait and the landscape. Alright, so I'm changing it to the one I just created. So it already has landscape. So we'll come to choose, as you want to choose the folder now. So the folder is our vid folder. I'm going to select the vid folder. So once that is done, I'm going to click on OK. So let's watch it as it places the watermark. So you see it closes it and then put the new one, the next one. So I'll get back when it is finally done so that we view the pictures and all that. So basically it's officially done. So let's go check the pictures and check the watermark. So enter our new folder, and I want to check this. We see that this, all of them are watermarked, but all watermarked. Including the watermark itself was watermarked. So basically this is how you set an action to automate your watermark on Photoshop. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, watch, and share this video. I'll see you in the next video.